How's the lighting on? Oh, hey, what's up? What's going on? What was that?
Yeah, redo.
Redo what? Oh, I can't. No, I can't. Is there a bee?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Well done. Well done. Well done. Hey, what's up? So today we're going to be doing another photo shoot. I'm shooting with China today. She's a fantastic model. We're shooting at a park here in Austin, Texas. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon, so the sun is high up in the sky. I'm thinking I'm going to use it as kind of a hair light behind her. I've got my AD400 with a beauty dish that I'm going to use on the front, so you'll be able to see kind of this one light setup, and yeah, we're going to have fun with it. Perfect. All right, let's get you facing towards the sun and then looking back towards me. There you go. Good. Drop that left shoulder for me. Drop that left shoulder down. Drop that left shoulder. Good. Perfect. Look towards the water. There it is. All right, so one thing y'all are gonna learn about me is I absolutely love shooting with off-camera flash. For this setup, I've got the sun behind her, lighting the back of her, giving her that nice rim light. And I've got the AD400 with a 16-inch beauty dish on front. And what's awesome about that is you get that nice separation. You can retain the color, so even though her face is in shadow, you can light that up and still get a lot of detail and a lot of just rich color. It's so good. All right, so we just wrapped up the first look over here in these bushes. This is actually much more difficult than I thought it would be. Yeah.
Oh.
There's like bugs and weeds.
Yeah, I know.
Did you get attacked by ants?
No.
You didn't get attacked by ants?
No.
She did. She was jumping.
You got attacked by ants.
Anyway, we're heading over here to the pier. Get some water shots. Get her in front of the water, looking all what?
Angelic.
Oh, angelic.
I didn't know what to use. I didn't know.
Look to your left. Right there. All right. So sometimes when you're shooting, you'll have certain things happen. Maybe a duck crosses your path, and you just got to do your best to try to capture it. Add that into it, give some extra flavor to your shot. Same idea here. I had the sun on her face this time, so I put the light on the left side of her to light the other side of her, so you don't have too much contrast with the shadows. But yeah, this is the result. One more, look at me. Hug yourself. Good, close your eyes. Drop that shoulder down though, drop that, yep. Nice, okay, same thing, go back, hold on, same thing, hold yourself. And then this time instead of this, drop your head this way. Nope, other way, yep. Turn your face towards me, right there. Drop that left shoulder just a little bit. Now hide behind it. Hide behind it. Yeah. Let's go. Good. Perfect. That's a wrap. We're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and all the photos. Remember to like, subscribe to the video. Also follow China. China, what's your Instagram?
_China Unique.
Yeah, and go and follow my Instagram as well, Agi Shot Me. Other than that, if you like this content, stay tuned for the next one.
Bye, guys.